Today, we're going to talk about an interesting topic. China, which is known for its big building projects, is planning to build mega projects that will cost $1 trillion in the future. The global economy will be significantly impacted by these projects, which are set to reshape China's environment. So let's dive in and find out more about China's big plans for the future. The Belt and Road Initiative, BRI, is a huge global infrastructure project that aims to connect China to more than 70 countries through a network of roads, trains, ports, and pipelines. It is one of China's most important infrastructure projects. The BRI has the potential to reshape global trade routes, improve economic growth, and increase China's strategic power. It is estimated to be worth trillions of dollars. China doesn't stop there, though. The country is currently working on a number of other massive projects that are set to have a long-lasting effect on both its economy and the rest of the world. So what are these mega projects that China is planning for the future that will cost $1 trillion? Let's look at some of the most bold ones in more depth. Project 1. China's high-speed rail network. China already has the biggest and fastest high-speed rail network in the world. It has over 22,000 miles of track, and trains can go up to 217 miles per hour. But China has plans for its high-speed rail network that are even more bold in the future. By 2025, the country aims to connect all of its major towns and regions with a high-speed rail network that extends over 30,000 miles, with the potential to revolutionize transportation, boost economic growth, and improve connectivity across the country. This expansion is estimated to cost over $1 trillion and will make China's high-speed rail network the most extensive and fastest in the world. The expansion of China's high-speed rail network is expected to bring about a lot of good things. First, it will significantly reduce travel times between important towns. This will make it easier for people and goods to move around the country. Due to the opening up of new markets and the creation of chances for trade and investment, this greater connection will help less developed areas' economic development. The high-speed rail network will also reduce reliance on flying, which will lower carbon emissions and make transportation more environmentally friendly. Also, the high-speed rail network is expected to drive innovation in the rail industry, making China a global leader in high-speed rail technology. Project 2. China's revolution in artificial intelligence. China has big plans for the future, and one of them is to change the way artificial intelligence, AI, works. By heavily investing in research, development, and AI applications across various industries, the country aims to become a global leader in AI technology. China has made AI a strategic focus and has set a goal to be the world leader in AI technology by 2030. In its plan, the country wants to build AI innovation centers, grow a strong pool of AI talent, and encourage the use of AI in key areas like healthcare, transportation, banking, and manufacturing. China's AI revolution has the potential to change industries and open up new business possibilities. For example, AI can be used in healthcare to help with precise drugs, individual treatment plans, and finding diseases early on. In transportation, AI can improve the flow of traffic, make processes more efficient, and make self-driving cars better. AI can make it easier to find scams, figure out how risky something is, and provide personalized banking services. AI can also improve product quality, speed up production, and reduce costs in the industrial industry. China's AI development is also important outside of China. China has the potential to become a global leader in AI research and development due to its sizable population and vast data resources. The future of AI technology and uses could be shaped by the country, which could have an impact on the global AI scene. Project 3 is China's program for exploring space. China's space exploration program has made a lot of progress in recent years. The country has reached important goals, such as sending humans into space, landing rovers on the moon, and building its own space station. China has big plans for space projects in the future, like sending a robot to Mars, exploring asteroids, and sending people to the moon. China also aims to finish building Tiangong, its space station, by 2022. Tiangong will be a key place for conducting experiments and research in microgravity environments. China's effort to explore space has more than one goal. First and foremost, it aims to create cutting-edge space technologies that can be used in many fields, including telecommunications, remote sensing, and guidance. By showcasing its technological ability on the global stage, it also aims to boost national pride and soft power. And third, it aims to make scientific breakthroughs and progress in areas like astronomy, astrophysics, and planetary science. China's effort to explore space hasn't been without problems, like worries about military consequences, technology competition, and space junk. But China's lofty plans for space exploration are definitely making waves in the global space community and setting the country up to be a major player in the future of space research. Project 4. China's Green Energy Revolution. China is also investing trillions of dollars in the future in green energy and sustainable development, which are two things it cares a lot about. The country knows it needs to switch to better and more sustainable energy sources to lessen the effects of climate change and reduce its reliance on fossil fuels. China has set ambitious goals for the use of green energy, such as increasing its installed solar capacity to 680 GW and its installed wind capacity to 500 GW by 2030. China is also investing in water, bioenergy, and geothermal energy as a way to diversify its energy mix. China's green energy shift is made up of a number of different projects and plans. Solar energy development is one of the most important projects. China is the biggest maker of solar panels in the world, and the country has made a lot of progress in increasing its solar output. The country has built huge solar farms, like the Longyangsha Solar Park, which is one of the biggest solar power plants in the world. The development of wind energy is another important part of China's move toward green energy. China has been investing a lot in both land and offshore wind power. Large wind farms have been built in the country, like the Gansu Wind Farm, which is one of the biggest coastal wind farms in the world. With plans to build large-scale offshore wind farms in its coastal seas, China has also been exploring the potential of offshore wind energy. China is not only investing in solar and wind energy, but also in other types of clean energy. For instance, the country has been building hydropower projects, such as the Three Gorges Dam, which is the biggest hydropower project in the world. In order to diversify its portfolio of green energy sources, China is also exploring the use of bioenergy, such as biomass and biogas and geothermal energy. China's green energy shift isn't just about making more clean energy. It's also about making energy use more efficient and encouraging people to use less energy. The country has put in place strict rules about how buildings, machines, and industry processes should use energy. China is also investing in smart grid technologies, energy storage systems, and electric car infrastructure to help integrate renewable energy into its grid and transportation system. In conclusion, China's future big projects are set to reshape many facets of society and the economy. China is working on huge infrastructure projects that will have a big effect on the world, from the Belt and Road Initiative to the development of high-speed rail networks, mega cities, smart cities, and space research activities. These projects, which hope to change China, are driven by a mix of economic, social, technical, and strategic goals. Into a global leader in many different areas. China's mega projects, on the other hand, have to deal with problems like environmental worries, social effects, technology risks, long-term funding, and working with other countries. For these projects to be successful, it will be essential to ensure responsible and sustainable development, address potential negative effects, and overcome obstacles. China's government, companies, and other interested parties need to carefully handle and reduce risks, encourage innovation, and put social and environmental sustainability at the top of their list of priorities.